Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have found a solution for a technical problem and I will show you in the video. I think it will help you, and if it does, please subscribe to my channel and support me if you wish. I would appreciate that. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye!